Good evening, friends. This is Prithviraj Potla, and today I'm going to discuss an important topic, that is pattern allowances. Pattern allowances are the allowances which are given to the pattern to get a fine mold cavity. So, let's get into our topic. Pattern allowances are of five. First one is shrinkage allowance. Almost all the metal gets shrink. Means every different metal have different shrink values, and for this purpose the extra size is given on the pattern. As the metal gets solidified, it will shrink and the size will be reduced. So the extra part will be given to the pattern. The extra part given is known as a shrinkage allowance. So for cast iron the shrinkage allowance is 10 mm per meter, and for aluminum alloys it is about 15 mm per meter, and for steel it is 21 mm per meter, and for brass and for lead it is 24 mm per meter. And this is the shrinkage allowance when the metal is poured into the mold cavity. Then after it gets solidified, the shrinkage will occur. Means the size of the metal gets contracted. So for this purpose the extra part will be given on the pattern. So second is a machining allowance. Means when we do cast, we will not get a perfect shape, so we should do machine. For this purpose extra part will be given to the pattern to get a desired product. So for the extra part is known as a machining allowance. The extra part given in the pattern to make it machine is known as machining allowance. So this is the diagram of machining allowance. This is the part when after casting. This is the part after getting machined. Here we can see the dimension is reduced. Means so for this purpose we will give some extra part on the pattern to make it machined to get a desired object. So the third is a draft allowance. When a pattern is removed, when a pattern is removed from the mold cavity, some metal may stick into the pattern and the mold may destroy. So for this purpose this draft allowance will be given. This draft allowance means some taper angle will be given on the pattern to take out the pattern easy from the mold cavity. So for this purpose this draft allowance will be given, and this draft allowance the angle will be 1 to 3 degrees. This much taper will be given to the pattern to take out the pattern easy from the mold. So here we can see this, for this mold they didn't given any taper angle, means they didn't give any draft allowance, so the mold get destroyed. So for this mold cavity they given, for this pattern they given some taper angle, so the pattern can be removed easily without any disturbance to the mold cavity. Next is wrapping allowance. Usually during removal of pattern from the mold cavity, some sand will be stick to the pattern. Means we cannot remove it easily. For this purpose we will shake the pattern overall. Means we will shake the pattern to the sides and to the four sides, so that the pattern can be easily removed. For this purpose they will give some less size to the pattern, so that after it's shaken the size will be increased. So for this purpose they will give some less size to the pattern. Next is distortion allowance. Distortion allowance in the mold stress is developed in solid. For some thin sheets they cannot be casted easily, they will become destroyed. So for this purpose they will give the distortion allowance. So with this distortion allowance we can easily make thin sheets also, we can easily cast thin sheets also. So this is the diagram for distortion allowance. This is the required shape of casting, this is destroyed casting, and this is cambered casting. Let's go into merits and demerits. First of all, merits. We can get required shape by giving allowances. When we give allowances, we will get the required shape, and no damages will be there to the mold cavity. As we are giving the allowances, we will get a smooth mold cavity so that we can get a good object after casting. Thin sheets, as we said that in distortion events we can also manufacture, we can also cast a thin sheets. Here also you can the same thing. Pattern can easily be removed. Pattern will be easily removed. And let's go into demerits. Demerits, it's more time taking process, because as we should give allowances to all the patterns, means every allowance should be given, so it's a somewhat time taking process, and high qualified engineer is required to give the allowances to the pattern. And as the engineer is a high qualified, so it should be pay more amount to him as salary, so labor cost will be more. And thank you guys for watching this video.